Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your app version and export or backup current settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Appearance or Theme. Don't dig through unrelated menus. Enable the Focus-Aware Theme toggle or select the theme that supports focus-driven accents. You do this because focus-aware themes change contrast and emphasis based on active elements, improving readability and reducing distraction while you work. Once the base theme is active, configure how focus behaves. Set intensity by raising contrast, choosing a highlight color, and adjusting dimming for background elements. Next, map focus to UI parts. Decide whether the editor, sidebar, or notifications receive emphasis, because targeted focus prevents accidental attention shifts. Then set triggers or timers, such as when a window gains focus or after 5 seconds of an activity, so the theme responds predictably. Make sure to preview changes as you tweak them, iterating quickly. To finish, save your configuration as a named profile and test it across typical workflows: writing, reviewing, and switching windows. If you spot visual artifacts or incorrect highlights, clear the app cache and restart, because many rendering glitches resolve that way. If problems persist, revert to your exported backup and reapply changes step by step to identify the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: if focus doesn't respond, check for conflicting accessibility or third-party extensions and disable them temporarily to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.